Facebook's a way better listening platform than it is everyone's trying to talk. Like, here I am, my Lamborghini, and look at this, I sold 800. Who cares? Nobody cares. I don't care about that. Stop. Okay, thank referrals and use a tiered system. So every time someone refers you somebody, you want to thank them. Instantly, if possible. We have a stock of great wine, red wine, that we send, and the idea is same day. The day we get a referral, the person who referred us the client gets a bottle of wine and a handwritten note that says, thank you so much. It doesn't matter if it closes or if that's the worst referral we ever have. You're rewarding the behavior, not the result, okay? So right away, bam, a bottle of wine. So, and this text message here is from a friend named Tony, who's like, man, you're good, thanks so much. He called me with a referral at 9 a.m. By 2 p.m. or whatever time that text was, 1:16, he had a bottle of wine on his front door. Like, that's a wow thing. That makes Tony feel like, dang, this guy's going to take care of my referral. He's not kidding around. Like, if he can get a bottle of wine to my door in a few hours, he could probably sell a house. So you're figuring out a way to really make sure people know that you care so much about the referrals that they send to you. If nothing else, start here. Like, okay, all this other great stuff I'm talking about is fine. But if nothing else, do this. The people who are referring you clients should know you care about those referrals. And then use this is our referral tree. You can see, like, my man John there. Man, that's a big trunk on that tree. He's referred us a lot of people. And they've referred us people. And you start looking down the line, you're like, what's the lifetime value of that guy? I don't know, like $1 million, like a lot of money. It's worth spending a little time, extra energy on John. So there he is. The bottle of wine's not going to get the job done on his 19th referral, right? So we make a custom created bag set with a K. That's got his first initial of his last name. Here he is with his family. Take a picture of like, hey, thanks so much for the thing. No one else is doing this. Like nobody. He would refer the people either way. But now he just, he knows, hey man, these guys, they care about me. They care about the business we're sending to them. Systemize and prioritize referrals. Again, you can't enter a lead into our system. It's not possible if it's a referral. It just won't let you do it unless it tells you who the person came from. We got to know, like, where did this referral come from? We got to figure that out. And so this just tells my team, hey, it's important, chase this down. And then wow after the sale, right? So, and I'm going fast because I want to give you a lot of ideas, and that cheat sheet thing will give you all kind of execution, but I want to go fast because I want to give you as much as possible. And here's what we do. You have an 80-20 plan for after the sale. How are you going to get repeat and referral business? So I talked about listening on Facebook. We were on the phone with the client who said, man, my son's been in the hospital. He's got this weird thing. He's going to be okay, but it's like 10 days in the hospital. So we get on Amazon, same-day delivery, all these fun toys for a kid his age, send them to our office, have a courier take it to the hospital. Because if I send it on Amazon to the hospital, God knows where that's going to end up, right? But like, let's get it to the office. We'll send it over. So she's sending a text like, oh my gosh, my realtor, who sold me a house like 3 years ago, figured out my kid was sick in the hospital and sent a gift so he wouldn't be bored in the hospital. Like, dude, they're not going to go to somebody else. Like, you're building client loyalty that is hugely valuable. This is a set of flowers that we sent to someone whose mother had passed. And thanks so much. This stuff's happening in people's lives. The deal is like good stuff, right? Really good stuff, and then really bad stuff. You can find, those are great opportunities to go, hey, we're listening, we care. Facebook's a way better listening platform than it is everyone's trying to talk. Like, here I am, my Lamborghini, and look at this, I sold 800. Who cares? Nobody cares. I don't care about that. Stop. Just stop it. Instead, pay attention to what everybody's saying, and then individually, in a caring way, in a thoughtful way, with people who support your business, execute on this. Just tell them they're important. Another one, I was talking to a client of mine, great guy, and I'm on the phone with him. We're like getting a listing going. He's like, oh, we're on our way to Disneyland. Hang up the phone, talk to my wall coordinator. She calls the hotel they're going to. I just subtly, oh, where are you staying? Oh, we're staying at the Marriott or whatever. She calls the Marriott. Hey, our great clients, the Martinez's, they're going to be there in like 2 hours. Could you surprise them? In the room, waiting for them, chocolate milk and cookies for his kids, right? That's awesome. Wow, that's really cool. They're excited about that. Here's another one. My brother and his wife went to the MGM. You can hear about this stuff on Facebook. I think that's where I saw it. They were like bragging about, we're going to the MGM. It's going to be great. So we called the MGM. They surprised them with like a heart, petals. The hotels are great at this. Vacations are, they have like armies of people just waiting for you to give them money to like do cool stuff for their people. So they will happily take your phone call and execute this for you. And again, this is going to cost you some money. So, but what's it worth? For that guy, Jean, millions of dollars, Like that lifetime value of your customer, if you stop and think about that, from the transactions they do with you, the referrals they make, they're going to come back, buy and sell a house. They're worth so much. And just even more than that, they're just people who are worthy of being noticed,